Mutino wa mbere uhanikire kilomita 8 kuma kambi ya borithi ya ruhonge rwa wathani mwena wa Kulan riria maabitha ya meguthia mucemanio-ini mwena wa Liboi no ngari iria mekuhuthagira muthemba wa Land Cruiser yaranga nduthuki iyo na kuuraga borithi atatu hau na angi atano matigwo na nguraro no thutha wa gukinyio thibitari-ini ya Dadaab ungi umwe akua na gukinyeria namba ya aria makuire ana. Na kuo mwena wa Mandera borithi atano aria mekumagaritie gavana wa kaunti ya Mandera Ari Roba na makuire miaraho-ini umuthi thutha wa ngari yao kuranga nduthuki no gavana Roba na atongoria aria mauma nao matinagurara mutino-ini ucio. Akiaria guku Nairobi, minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Joseph Kaiseri niaugite thirikari niyoete makinya marumu gutigirira aria matabanirie ciiko icio ni manyitwo na moerwo makinya ma kiwatho.
Basically, we have defeated terrorism in our country. We have treated them, we have reduced their effectiveness. So now they have resorted into the tactics of hide and seek, of using IEDs, because these are cowardly enemies. So and our intelligence and security agencies are working on that to ensure that we also eliminate this menace.
Thariko ici hanikite na utiganu wa mathaa 7 na nduthuki cia muthemba umwe nicio ihuthikite gutabania ithariko icio ni kurekwirwo gikundi kia itoi cia Al-Shabaab nikio gitabanirie thariko icio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Misheni wa Mungai.